Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want to get yourself a purse that is just as unique and beautiful as you are, then I highly recommend this one from Rofozzi.
This bag is so luxurious and high quality. I love everything about it, from the fact that it came in its own dust bag to all of the detailing that went into this. The inside is this beautiful floral fabric. It has so many pockets, not just on the inside, but there are some hidden ones too. This gorgeous rosette that you can hang on the front, the floral hardware, it just screams love and detail. They really put their heart and soul into making this bag. I love that the front has this really unique design and the back is nice and flat with another zippered pocket. And I could not be more happy with this because it fits all of my stuff. I have notebooks, I have my wallet, I have my Kindle in here. I can shove everything in here and zipper it shut, and it's going to hold all my stuff nice and safely. It is just the perfect bag, not only for everyday use, but for dress up as well, because look how gorgeous it is. It's just perfect.
This has quickly become my new favorite purse. I use it every single day. I have gotten so many compliments on it, and I really think you are going to love it as much as I do. And that's my point of view.